Finally got around to cleaning all my guns. This is my CZ P07. Just love this thing. I got the threaded barrel from CZ. And 3 mags, which is good. But I've had this for a long time since they first came out, and I just love them. I've got, well, I say I'm finished. I've got one left, and that is one pistol, and that's my Creed, Walther Creed. And it's not a very expensive gun, but the dang thing shoots great. I've never had a failure with it. I got a light on it. It's my bed gun, so you know I trust it. This is the one I like to carry with me, though, whenever I go. I got the 365, but this one's high capacity, and man, it's just perfect size. This CZ P07 is just perfect in every way. Hope you have a good evening.